Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamla. Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm very happy to create this beautiful Bollywood inspired easy to follow puja makeup look. So this Navratri you need a very glamorous easy makeup look to do for all 9 days. So I came up with this look using all the products from purple.com. so Purple has sent me a few products to create this beautiful look. So I have a primer, a face mask and NY Bay products and a shingle eyeshadow from NY Bay. So they have sent me this beautiful package. So I have created this makeup look using those products and also some other products that are available at purple.com. so purple.com is a e-commerce website. You get almost 6,000 products, makeup products under 400 rupees. Now Purple is going to have a beautiful and amazing offer from October 5th to October 11th, and you'll be getting 50% discount on all the makeup products and skincare products. So and additionally you will be getting 10% discount when you use this code. So I'm gonna mention the code right on the screen. You will get 10% discount using the code, and don't forget to download the app. You will be very easy to follow what are the products going on discount, and please download the app as well. So and also I'm gonna leave all the products link, name, everything, shades, everything in the description box. So please go ahead and check that out. So now without any further delay I'm gonna start with the makeup look. So guys, let me start with the video. So firstly I'm gonna use a face mask, so which is from Good Vibes. This is the papaya glow face pack. So I'm gonna apply this for 15 minutes and then I'm gonna wash off my face. So this is how the mask looks like. So this is the papaya glow face mask. So I'm gonna apply directly with my fingers. So it's easy to use with the fingers, I feel. So I have applied the mask all over my face. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes, then I'm gonna wash it with the plain water. So guys, it's almost 10 minutes. My face pack is fully dry. I'm gonna wash off my face now. So my face is really glowing. I really like the face mask. So now we'll be moving on to the serum. So for the serum I have the Good Vibes Rose Hip Radiant Glow Face Serum. So I'm gonna take just 2 drops of the serum on my palm. I'm just gonna rub the serum between my hands and then I'm gonna apply like that. So since it is a radiant glow serum, it gives it super glow to your face, as you can see. So next I'm gonna apply a good moisturizer to lock the serum. So skin prep is done. Now we'll be moving on to the makeup. First I'm gonna use the primer. I'll be going with the Purple True Jewel 24K Gold Primer. So this is what the original packaging looks like. As you can see, a little bit of gold shimmery particles. So I'm gonna take this much. I'm just gonna rub between my hands. I'm just going to focus on my T-zone all over my face. So it's really smoothing my face. So next we'll be moving on to the foundation. One of my favorite foundation is from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. I really like this foundation for festive season. So it gives it super good coverage and also stays for a longer time. So I'm gonna first dot all over my face and then blend it with the brush. So you can find all the products from the purple.com. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. So I'm gonna blend it with a brush. You can use a beauty blender according to your preference. So next we'll be moving on to the concealer. For that I'll be using this Sugar Magic Wand waterproof concealer in the shade 45 Cod Panna and 40 Brave. First I'm gonna use the shade 45 Cod Panna to hide my pigmentation around my mouth and around my eyes. So I'm just going to apply like that. I'm gonna blend with the beauty blender. So let me go with the brush to just blend the product, and then we'll be moving on to the beauty blender. So to get the maximum coverage I prefer a brush. So as you can see, the concealer blends beautifully into the skin. I really like the coverage and blendability of the concealer. So now I'm gonna use my beauty blender to further blend everything. So next I'm gonna use the shade Brave to highlight my face, which is a little bit lighter for my skin tone, so which actually highlights my face beautifully. So again I'm gonna take my brush this time and just gonna spread the product evenly, and then I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. To set the concealer in place, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder to set. So I'm gonna use my beauty blender to set my concealer. I really like this way. Concealer won't crease. So to set my remaining face, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Compact Powder. I'm in the shade Toffee. So I'm gonna take this kind of a powder brush and I'm gonna apply all over my face, and I'm gonna dust off the excess loose powder. I'm gonna mix the compact powder and loose powder to set. So almost the face makeup is done. To give that good structure to my face, I'm gonna use a contour palette. So this is from Sugar. This is called Contour the Force Face Palette. We get a bronzer, blush and a highlighter. I really like this palette just to carry or just to go. It's very easy to carry and just too easy to carry, and you get all the three products in one, and which really a good product. I really like that thing. So I'm gonna take this bronzing powder. I'm just going to give a good structure to my face. I'm gonna give a good sizzling effect. As you can see, it just gives it really warmth to my face. So I'm gonna take here and just blend all of my face, on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and also on my jawline. So with the same bronzing powder, I'm just going to give a little bit of nose contouring. I'm just going to pinch my brush and then apply the. Next we'll be moving on to the blush. For that, I'm gonna take the same blush. So it's such a beautiful, very pigmented blush. So you get in singles as well. So a little goes a long way. So now is the time to move on to the highlighter. I'm gonna take this highlighter. I'm just going to apply on my highest points of my cheekbone, like that. So it's a very good subtle highlighter. It's great for festive seasons. So guys, face makeup is done. Now I'm gonna quickly finish off my eyebrows, and then we'll be moving on to the eye makeup. So eyebrows are done. Now I'm gonna quickly do my eye makeup. So first I'm gonna take the same bronzing powder, so which we used as the bronzer. I'm gonna take this shade. I'm gonna apply on my eyelids as a transition shade. I'm gonna make it very easy for you guys. I'm just taking a big blending brush and I'm running the bronzer shade as a eyelid transition. So next I have this beautiful single eyeshadow from NYB. So this is the shade called the Bronx. So it's a beautiful gold shimmery shade. I'm gonna take this in a flat brush. I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid. Wow, such a beautiful pigmented shade. I'm just going to take that big blending brush to blend the edges of the shimmer shade. We don't need any harsh edges, right? So I'm going to take the same shade on my lower lashes, half of the shade. So I'm not going to wrap everything. Next I'm going to take that same bronzer shade. I'm going to apply on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to blend everything like that. So next we'll be moving on to the kohl pencil. For that I have the NYB, the big apple of my eye kohl pencil. So this is what it looks like. The original packaging of the pencil looks like. I'm gonna apply on my waterline. So it comes in a retractable form. Next we'll be moving on to the eyeliner. For that I have the NYB Ellis Eyeland eyeliner. So the wand is also really flexible. It's easy to create a wing liner using this kind of a flexible tip. I'm gonna create a beautiful wing liner using this. It's such a beautiful pigmented liner. So for the mascara, I'm gonna use the Lakme Iconic Curl Mascara. Apply on my lower lashes as well. So don't forget to apply. It's very important. Looks really great on photographies in general. Finally we'll be moving on to the lips. For that I have the Purple Ultra HD Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Sleepover Companion number 9. So this is what the original packaging looks. So it's a beautiful red shade. Wow, I really like that. Wow, such a pigmentation, right? So So guys, this is the final makeup look. Hope you enjoyed following this makeup look. So if you enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below what is your opinion, and don't forget to download and purchase from purple.com using my code. So I'm gonna mention on right on the screen, so you will be getting 10% additional discount with a 50% discount on purple.com. so please go ahead and check the links, website, and buy the products whichever you like from this video. So thank you so much for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.